Hey, you know I talk loud anyway. You got it? Yes, I do. You ain't talking loud anyway. Yeah. So if you have to, you move up a little bit closer. But let's give him our attention for the next 15 to 20 minutes. As he shares with us what he and Pastor are trying to do here. Go right ahead.
First of all, I'd like to thank God for the opportunity for me to meet with your pastor, Dr. Brown. He reminds me of my pastor, Reverend Marvin Price.
Amen.
So that's good when you say that.
Right,
so
right.
It's a plus for me being here. And then Mr. C.W. Willis, he might not even remember me. I came over and did BU Rich or BU Poor, get an education, and have a little more. That's about almost 20 years ago.
What you say?
Wow.
Yes.
So it's nothing fake about me.
I hear you.
I'm real when it comes to our children, and I see the problem. And when I was thinking about what happened to Trayvon, and I'm thinking that his life is over, but the thing is what are we going to do about the kids that's left?
Right.
That's the real question. The real question, how are we going to make sure that does not happen to our children? Right. So let me give you an example so you can understand what I'm saying, how real this is. See, the more of our children that don't get a chance to graduate from high school, that don't get a chance to go to college, that means they're going to be on the streets.
Right.
So now you got to look at the fact that now there's maybe 2 or 3 of our kids that's together on the street.
Right.
That's not going to look good.
Right.
Because that's going to give anybody an excuse to do something to our children.
That's right.
So it's got to be about the education of our children, but first it's got to be about them having a relationship with God.
Right.
And that's why for me it's a blessing to start to be back into the church of doing what I do, because I've been that teacher. I made a commitment to God. I said, God, I'm out of this school. This is it. Okay? Because this what I'm doing is too big. It's too big. And this is the example I show with people. I said, me being in the classroom is like an eagle being in a chicken coop.
Right.
And his wings are just constantly dragging the ground.
Right.
Well, if he stays in that chicken coop too long, he's going to start losing some feathers.
Right.
And if he starts losing some feathers, he's not going to be able to soar as high.
Right.
And if he really stays too long, he ain't going to never try to fly no more.
Right.